Arjav Jain, and today I'm going to show you how to make an awesome 2-in-1 model, which is an elephant which can turn into a cobra, and the cobra is adjustable. So let's get started. So first hold your snake cube like this and count 2 pieces. 1, 2. Rotate the second piece twice, and from here you will rotate this piece twice. There will be some sort of diamond. Then you will count 3 pieces from right to left at the top. 1, 2, 3. Rotate the third piece twice, and then hold it like this and count 2 pieces. 1, 2. Rotate the second piece twice. Now from the top to bottom count 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. Rotate the third piece twice, and finally count 2 pieces from left to right. 1, 2, and rotate it twice. Now from the top to the bottom count 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. Rotate the third piece away from you. Now we will refer to rectangles. To count 2 rectangles. 1, 2. Rotate the second rectangle clockwise. Now back to triangles. Rotate it like this and count 2 pieces. 1, 2. Rotate the second piece towards you. Now to rotate this rectangle twice. You will have something like this now. So now count 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. Rotate the third piece to the top, and now refer to this rectangle. Rotate it clockwise. Now count 2 pieces. 1, 2. Rotate the second piece twice. Now count 2 pieces again. 1, 2. Rotate the second piece away from you. Now we will rotate it like this. Now over here. 1, 2. Rotate the second piece away from you. Now rotate it back. Count 1, 2. Rotate the second piece away from you. So here is the elephant. Now I am going to show you how to quickly transform it into a cobra. So for now you will have to open everything except this head. And then rotate this piece twice. So you will have something like a mysterious wand right now with an elephant, or let's say a cobra head. So the next step is super easy. It depends on you. So if you want a snake to have his head very less raised up, you can count 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3, and rotate it twice, and then rotate this piece twice. So rotating the piece twice at last is compulsory for all the lengths, and if you want not at all length, then you can just count 1 piece and rotate it. It's easy. So if you want it medium length, which is raised up, and medium which is slithering, then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces and rotate it twice, and do the part over here. And if you want it to be raised up more above the ground, Then from here, from the right, count 1, 2, 3, 4 and rotate it twice. If you want even less, you can count 2 pieces, 1, 2 and do it like this. I like this position, and this is how the cobra looks. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my video and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.